Hi there. I wanted to share with you the nightmare divorce case. This is one file from a divorce case that started in 2005, and I'm making this video on and streaming it live to YouTube on July 21st, 2016. Yes, it's been over 11 years since this case was filed. Now, I wasn't the attorney or counselor on the case when the case first started. I've just been working on it for the last few years. Essentially what happened in this case, and obviously I'm not going to disclose the client's identity or the opposing party's identity. We keep our clients' names and information confidential unless they want to do a public testimonial, in which case their information will be revealed. But in this case, this is the last file. And in this case, there's an unsettled tax issue where the other party refused or failed to pay a tax debt that they were assigned to pay in the divorce decree when the case was finalized. So here we are, and it's only 11 years later, and we are now collecting the money to pay the IRS and Utah State Tax Commission for taxes owed. You see, sometimes cases can go on for a long time. There can be gaps in them, but as long as there are issues, the case can be reopened, so to speak, and the case can move forward in those directions that it needs to go in order to resolve those unresolved issues. So not only do we do those divorce cases, but we resolve cases where things have not gone the way they should have according to the decree of divorce. So I hope this has been helpful to you and instructive, because we've been asked several times, how long does a divorce case take? And in this instance, the divorce is still going on. Even though the parties have both remarried and have moved on with their lives, there's still an issue from this divorce case. If you have questions about your case, or you need further help in a divorce or post-decree case, give our office a call, 801-676-5507. Mike Anderson, thanks for watching. Bye.